Hello everyone, welcome to Sujitra's online reading channel. Today I'm going to narrate the story of Hansel and Gretel. I hope you will all love it. Hansel and Gretel is a fairy tale published by the Grimm brothers, and many kids grew up with it. This well-known fairy tale has many screen adaptations, and some of them are darker and others are just like the fairy tale. This fairy tale shows us the 19th century problems where it was not unusual for parents to leave their children because they had no food to put on the table. It is one of the most famous fairy tales, and it teaches us about the struggle between right and wrong. It has a happy ending in which the kids come back to their sad father and they live happily ever after. The evil witch gets punished and victory is up. Virtues that stand out in the fairy tale are the love between a brother and a sister and parents' devotion. Through this story, kids can learn how to outsmart the evil people and beat the evilness in a rational way. This story doesn't talk about revenge but helping a person close to us to get out of difficulties. Hansel and Gretel are brother and sister who lived in a small, humble house with their father and stepmom. Their house was at the edge of the forest, far away from all others. Since they were very poor, the stepmom suggested to her husband that they should leave their kids somewhere deep inside the woods so they would survive there. After they were left in the forest, Hansel and Gretel found their way back because Hansel threw stones while they were walking, so they just followed them back. The stepmom was persistent and suggested they left the kids in the forest again. This time they could not find their way back. They were in the forest, hungry and scared. They decided to find a shelter and they came across a house made of cake and bread. They were so hungry that they just started chewing the house. An older woman came out of the house and called them to come inside. She made them delicious meals and put them to bed. The kids did not suspect she was an evil witch that wanted to eat Hansel. The next morning, she locked them up in a barn and made Gretel cook meals for Hansel so he would get fatter so she could eat him in the end. The witch checked his weight every day, but Hansel found a way to fool her. Instead of his finger, he would have the witch a little bone to touch so that she would think he gained no weight. After a month of waiting, the witch got tired and decided to eat him no matter what his weight was. She ordered Gretel to get inside the oven and check if the temperature is all right. The girl knew what her intentions were, so she pushed her inside the oven and she burned to death. Gretel freed Hansel, and before they went home, they gathered all of the gold and took it with them. They decided to go home to their father. He was thrilled about their arrival and they lived happily ever after. The stepmom died while the kids were held captive. Hansel is shown as a very sensible, careful, and a good boy who comforts his sister in times of need. He is witty and easily comes up with a plan to fool the witch, and he saves not only himself but his sister too. Gretel is a little frightful girl that cries all the time, and she was a thoughtful sister who would share her last piece of bread with her brother. In the end, she showed her strength by pushing the witch into the oven. The witch was evil and sly as a fox. Her appearance was misleading because she didn't look like a witch. She was all pink and beautiful. The father was a very good man, despite the fact he abandoned his own children under the influence of his wife. He was sincerely happy to see his kids coming back. That's all for today. Hope you loved the story. Tomorrow I will come up with another bedtime story. Until then, see you all. Bye bye. Thank you. This is Sujitra.